Try not to get your dad's amazing figure in the film.
It's already on.
Ah. Okay, well the world can see my beautiful body. Here we go, we've got the EcoFlow Quick Start Guide. Delta Pro 3 is the smaller one, and we've upgraded due to the motorhome and some sites we've been to where we haven't had the right amount of power to run our motorhome. So this apparently can run our motorhome and our house if we needed to. And yeah, I'll do some demonstrations when we're on campsite tomorrow. But you'll see it as we pull it out of the box. This thing is completely different in size to the baby. So I'll show you the baby. This is its little baby, the Delta 3. That's the baby. We've used it for a while, but we weren't happy with how it was like holding its charge. But it did run our fridge at home for a whole day and night. So we thought we'd upgrade. And I'm probably going to get a hernia when I take this out of this box. But my little helper here who's eating chocolate Kellogg's Crispies is going to move the box when I lift it up. And she doesn't know that yet. Do you want to just pause it a second? Hang on, let me get my flip-flops ready. 2, 3. Okay. So there it is outside of the box, and it is absolutely humongous compared to its brother, the Delta 3. The EcoFlow Pro is ridiculous. I mean, I'm quite a strong guy, and that is heavy. But there's a reason for that. It's because of what it can power. I think off the top of my head, it can do up to 4,000 watt of power from what I read briefly yesterday. Yeah, basically this thing is the EcoFlow Delta 3 on steroids. It is absolutely ridiculous in size. 8,000 watts. 8,000 watts. You can tell this is not being rehearsed. This is 8,000 watts in power, not 4. Basically, it could run the house, your motorhome, and it wouldn't even bleep. It is a humongous battery. What I liked about it, this one is lightweight, yes, it's great. It wouldn't run the motorhome, okay? Where this one, as soon as you pull out the fork handle and lift it up, this is where it becomes lightweight, and that's the difference. It's heavy to lift. It takes probably 2 of you to lift it in and out of the van, but once it's out of the van, that thing is very lightweight to move. In fact, I got a chop saw heavier than that in the workshop, even on a trolley. So that might be its saving grace for me. If I lifted it, I can deal with that. So if Ruben comes around here, I'll show you. The handle goes there. We've got all different sorts of power outlets. Got the 12 volt. And then we've got what powers the van next. The 16 amp. So we're going to charge it up. We're going to charge it up, see how it goes, and then tomorrow we're going to put it in a field and we're going to run the motorhome off it. Thanks for watching. Right, let's turn on the 8,000 watt solar battery EcoFlow Delta Pro 3. Powerful yet, but simple. So a PV output of 2,600 watt and an AC output of 4,000 watt. That's where I got the 4,000 watt from, guys, sorry. Basically, it's a plug in and play, and it's got a noise of 30 decibels, which is ridiculously quiet. So here we go, let's turn it on for the first time. And transport from wherever it's come from in the world, it's got 26% battery in there as it is. So let's plug it in, see how long it takes to charge, and we'll come back. If you heard Felicity's going to the toilet, at the same time the input is 2817 watts. It's going to take 1.6 hours to charge this bad boy. We have noticed our local village has dimmed a little bit as we've turned it on, but that is me just joking with you. But yeah, that's how much it's pulling in to charge. So we timed this at 4:30, we put it on. Right, so this took an hour and a half to charge fully from 25%, and you can see it says in the dial there it's got an 11.1 days charge, which is going to be interesting when we take it camping tomorrow. But there she is, connected to the app, and 100%. Oh, you have to excuse the clowns in the background. But this is the Power Oak, and this one has been quite mostly over Europe, and now the display doesn't work. But I just wanted to use it as an example of how big the EcoFlow Pro is, the Delta 3 and the baby EcoFlow Max, of how the evolution of EcoFlow and our battery for camping and holidays has changed. But if we were to take all of these, we'd probably last 2 weeks off-grid, maximum maybe. That will run for about 2 days, maybe 3 days max. This, about 4 or 5. That 2, and this one apparently will last for 11.1 days. So there we are. That's the evolution of our batteries in our setup. Please comment, like and share.